Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are safe and fine. Class 2, Subject English, Unit 2, Quiz Time, Lecture 1. Learning Outcomes. Students will be able to understand use of capital letters to start sentences and proper nouns. Use correct punctuation mark, full stop, question mark and comma. Dear students, now I am going to start read Unit 2. Listen carefully. Unit 2 Quiz Time. Nursery class is having a quiz. Look at some of the questions and answer which the teacher has prepared for the quiz. Question 1. Where is Islamabad? Answer. In Pakistan. Question. Where is Hana Lake? Answer. In Korea. Question. When was Qaidism born? The answer is on 25th December. Question. Can you name 4 cities in Sindh? Answer. Sakhar, Khairpur, Hyderabad and Dadu. Dear students, look at the answers. Here we have many letters are capital. We always capital first letter of the sentence. Do you know why these letters are capitals? No. Okay students, today we will learn about the capitalization. Capitalization means using capital letters. We are going to look at some of the most important capitalization rules. So, you can know when to capitalize letters and when to leave letters lowercase. Alright, so the first capitalization rule is always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. Look at this example. The tricycle was red. Notice how the T is capitalized. That is because it is the first letter in the sentence. We always capitalize the first letter in the sentence. How about this sentence? We have learned something new today. W is capitalized because it is the beginning of the sentence. Always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. Here is the second rule. Always capitalize names and proper nouns. Take a look at this sentence. We think Tommy is sad. The W for we is capitalized because it is at the beginning of the sentence, and the T is capitalized because of this dog. It is name, and we always capitalize names and proper nouns. Here is another sentence. I live in Sakhar. I is capital because it is beginning in the sentence, and S is capital because Sakhar is the name of city, and we always capitalize names and proper nouns. Rule number 3. Always capitalize days, months and holidays. This is the third rule. Let's look at this sentence. My favorite day of the week is Friday. My favorite day of the week is Friday. Here M is capitalized because it is at the beginning of the sentence, and the F for Friday is capitalized as well because we always capitalize days, months and holidays. Look at this sentence. I was born in May. Here is I is capital because it is at the beginning of the sentence, and M for May is capital because as well we always capitalize months, days and holidays. Rule number 4. Always capitalize titles like Doctor, Mr., Mrs. and Miss. For example, last Friday I went to Dr. Nasir for a checkup. The L is capitalized because the first letter of the sentence. The F is capitalized because Friday is a day, and we always capitalize days, months and holidays. The I letter is capitalized because it is all by itself, and whenever there is I in a sentence all by itself, we always capitalize it. The D of doctor is capitalized because We always capitalize titles like Doctor, Mr., Miss, Mrs. and also the N is capitalized because Nasir is his name. And we always capitalize names and proper nouns. Dear students, I hope you understand the rules of capitalization. Now we are going to start a written work. Here is a question. Circle the capital letters in these sentences. Number 1. Saif, Ahsan and Bilal are in my class. Here 3 letters are capital in this sentence. Now we are going to circle it. Number 2. December and January are cold months. Number 3. I will go to the zoo on Saturday. Number 4. Shalimar Gardens is in Lahore. Dear students, now we are going to circle the letters which are capitalized in the sentence. Question B. 10 capital letters have been left out in this passage. Make the corrections. Dear students, we already discussed the rules of capitalization. According to these rules, our answer is yes. This is our answer. Do this work on your notebook with neat and clean writing.